Welcome to Interactions, Loomly's community management hub that brings all of your social media comments, messages, and mentions into a centralized inbox so you and your team never miss a conversation. If you're in your calendar and there's an unread interaction waiting for you, a red dot will appear and you can easily explore your interaction dashboard by clicking on the text bubble icon in the top navigation bar. On the left, you see all the social channels that are available, and whatever channel you're viewing will appear expanded. New indicates new unread comments, messages, or mentions for your connected channels in your calendars. You can filter interactions by status, read and unread messages. You can archive any interactions if you have replied or if they're spam. You can easily change the status of individual messages by clicking here to either archive or mark as unread. You can reopen archived messages as well. You can bulk update the status by clicking here and mark as read, unread, or archive. If you're working as part of a team, you can assign interactions to different users, including support and success team members, and filter by assignee so that you can see all assigned interactions to a specific individual. Whenever someone replies to a comment or a message, you'll be able to see your teammate's name here. Facebook and Instagram allow you to like, hide, and delete comments from the social channel in addition to replying. Facebook also allows you to reply privately to respond to the user as a message. You'll be able to see any private comments in messages after you click on Refresh Facebook Data. For comments and mentions on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter, and comments on TikTok, you can view the post natively to interact. Please note, for LinkedIn company pages, you can like, reply, and delete comments and reply to mentions, whereas for LinkedIn personal profiles, you can interact with comments. When you reply on Instagram or Twitter, Loomly will auto-populate the username so you never have to worry about typos. When replying to commonly asked questions, you can use save replies to speed up your response time and maintain brand message consistency. Using interactions can help you build and nurture a community while delivering exceptional customer experiences. If you have any questions, please check out our FAQ. Thank you for listening and stay tuned for more.